very thick and not very moisturizing for my hair. I have the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Milk for thick, curly hair. It hydrates, smooths, and defrizzes. It's rich in coconut oil. It has creamy papaya butter and wholesome plumera extract. It is silicone free. Maui Moisture starts with a unique blend of aloe vera juice and is infused with pure coconut water. Unlike some other treatments that start with deionized water as its first ingredient, the result: moisturized strands, mended split ends, and a healthy glow with every use. Rich coconut oil is blended into this creamy leave-in milk along with papaya butter and plumera extract. This curl milk helps detangle, defrizz, and define curls while enhancing softness and body for shine, bouncy curls, coils, or waves. Definitely feels like there's oil in this product that's coating my hair. Apply a small amount to palm, rub hands together, then apply evenly to surface of damp or towel dried hair, working through to ends. Do not rinse. The curl milk is very thick, almost thicker than the smoothie. I do not think I'd use the milk on its own. It definitely needs to be layered. The smoothie is creamy, plus it provides a very light hold. Both these products are packed with coconut oil, so you don't technically need to seal. On the left side, I used the milk, the smoothie, and I sealed with an oil. Now this curl milk I thought was gonna be like lightweight and smooth, but it is thick and heavy, and it does not leave my hair feeling super hydrated on initial application. I also have the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie, and this is for thick curly hair as well, and it hydrates, smooths, and defrizz. Same ingredients are listed, but for the directions, this one says section hair and apply products sparingly to damp or dry hair. Do not rinse out. Style hair as desired. For best results, use as a styling cream for twist outs, braid outs, and wash and go styles. Of all my Maui Moisture products, this line has the least scent. Like, usually it smells really good, and with this, it kind of just has a subtle coconut scent. So if you're not into heavily scented products, this might be the one for you. Initially applying it to my hair, the coconut milk does not have that many. It doesn't feel like it's very moisturizing, but the curl smoothie does provide you with a lot of moisture. And then after braiding my hair, I felt like my hair did feel like it had some oil in it. It felt very hydrated. I really liked the way it felt after applying everything to my hair. So far I'm pretty happy with the way it's working. On the left side, I'm going to seal my hair in with just regular oil, and then on the right side, I'm going to seal my hair in with glycerin. Okay. I use glycerin on the right side. Glycerin, at least vegetable glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a sugar alcohol derivative. Glycerin is put in skin and hair care products due to its moisturizing properties. Glycerin is a humectant, and a humectant is used to retain or preserve moisture. This sounds like something I'd want to have for my natural hair, but I've never really stopped to think, does my hair even like glycerin? So today we are doing an experiment on the right side of my hair. We're going to use the pure glycerin to seal my hair. So I will use the curl milk, then the curl smoothie, and then braid my hair, and I will seal it in with the glycerin. Glycerin is water soluble and it has no scent. It does have kind of like a syrup consistency, so it is kind of thick. and I actually ended up not liking the consistency of the pure glycerin. Glycerin is an excellent moisturizer for your skin, but let's see how my hair will turn out.